If you don't know what Ollama is, don't worry. Ollama is a free tool that lets you run powerful AI models directly on your own computer, without needing cloud services or complicated setup. It's widely used by developers and AI enthusiasts to download, manage, and run models like Llama, Qwen, Gemma, Mistral, and DeepSeek locally, giving you better privacy, full control, and fast performance. In this video, I'll show you how to install Ollama step by step and get it up and running on your Windows PC. Click on Ollama link in my description to visit its main page. Click on Download Ollama option. Click on Download for Windows. This will start downloading file. Once file downloaded, double-click on it to install. Click Install. This will install Ollama on your system. And that's it. You now have Ollama installed and ready to run AI models locally on your PC. In upcoming videos, I'll show you how to download different AI models, connect Ollama to popular applications, and build powerful local AI workflows. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.